Okay, what is hypnosis? What is it? Tapping into your subconscious. What's your subconscious? It's the random. It holds all possibilities. It's the place where all seeds of potential exist. So watering any possibility into your subconscious is like planting seeds down into that primitive area. The primitive area is where all of our deep-rooted habits and beliefs are held. Our subconscious is very random. So hypnosis is so simple, and everyone's doing it. Our teachers are doing it, our pastors are doing it, our friends are doing it, our parents are doing it to us, everyone is. It is accepting a suggestion. That's where you go into hypnosis. Accepting a suggestion bypasses the critical area and it drops into your subconscious. Your subconscious then says, yes, okay? When we say yes, we water that seed of potentiality and it becomes our reality. Hypnosis is using your imagination. The difference between hypnosis and meditation is clearing your mind, having no thought. Hypnosis is having a focused train of thought. So it's when you have an intention. Our intention today is, what's our intention? Healing. That's right, healing ourselves in the healing room, healing others, bringing in more light, bringing in more energy and vibrance. So hypnosis always has a focused train of thought in mind, and it's about accepting a suggestion. When we do that, that's where miracles happen. That's where change happens. That's how we can change our mind in just a second, and we become that new reality.